What if the most beautiful dress you've ever seen didn't start as fabric at all, but as something completely unexpected, almost forgotten, and totally ordinary? Today on Ms. Angela Sawyer, we're stepping into a world of upcycled dresses, where old things get a second chance and turn into wearable art. I was scrolling through Pinterest like I always do, collecting wild, creative ideas, and I found a whole wave of dresses made from upcycled materials. Things like old curtains, worn-out denim, vintage tablecloths, even pieces that looked like they were destined for the trash but got transformed into something stunning. Every idea I'm sharing today came from that Pinterest deep dive, and you can find the Pinterest board linked in the description if you want to explore them yourself or see the patterns and inspiration up close. Some of these dresses are soft and romantic, some are bold and structured, and some honestly look like they walked straight out of a fashion runway built on imagination alone. As you watch, I want you to vote on your favorite upcycled dress idea in the comments, and once we hit 100 votes on a single favorite, I might recreate it in my own style, putting my own twist on it with fabric, color, and personality. There's something powerful about taking what already exists and giving it new life, like the past and present stitching themselves together into something completely new. And these dresses prove that creativity does not have to start from scratch to be beautiful. There is something funny about creativity. The moment we have unlimited choices, our brain suddenly acts like it forgot where it parked the car. We stare at endless fabrics, endless colors, endless possibilities, and somehow end up thinking, I have no idea what to make. But then something changes when resources become limited. Suddenly an old curtain becomes a dress idea. A thrifted bedsheet starts whispering, I could be fabulous. A pair of worn-out jeans starts volunteering for a new job. It is almost like creativity wakes up and says, okay, now we are going to have some fun. Some of the most beautiful upcycled dresses happen because there was not a giant pile of expensive supplies sitting around waiting to be used. They happen because someone looked at what they already had and decided to see possibility instead of limitation. That is such a powerful reminder because life works that way too. Sometimes we think we need more money, more tools, more time, or more perfect circumstances before we can create something meaningful. Then, someone takes scraps and forgotten fabric and turns them into something that looks runway worthy. Suddenly, the excuse disappears. Sometimes less really creates more. The wild part is that limitations do not lock creativity in. They hand creativity a map and point it toward adventure today. If you are enjoying these ideas, make sure to like and subscribe because we are always finding creative ways to turn ordinary things into something exciting. I also have tutorial videos linked below along with other sewing and upcycling videos you might enjoy. I will also leave helpful products below like sewing machine needles, and supplies that might make your projects easier. Now keep watching because there are more creative ideas coming up. And when this video is over, watch the next video waiting for you because I will see you there.